Kanban is a scheduling system for lean and just-in-time production processes. But what is it about? The word Kanban stands for Kan, which means card, and Ban, which means signal. It is a system which historically used cards to denote the need for further inventory. Kanban was developed in the 1940s at Toyota in Japan. It improves and maintains a high level of production. Additionally, it became an effective tool in support of running a production system as a whole. Kanban cards are a key component of the Kanban system. They signal the need to move materials within a manufacturing or production facility, or move materials from an outside supplier into the production facility. Consumption drives demand for more production, and demand for more product is signaled by the Kanban card. Kanban cards therefore help to create a demand-driven system. But how does it work? Let's explain Kanban by describing the 3-bin system. This is a simple system that can be implemented for the supplied parts where there is no in-house manufacturing. One bin is on the factory floor, the initial demand point. One bin is in the factory store, the inventory control point, and one bin is at the supplier's business. The bins usually have a removable card containing the product details and other relevant information, the classic Kanban card. When the bin on the factory floor becomes empty, this is an indication that there was demand from parts. Afterwards, the empty bin and Kanban cards are returned to the factory store. The factory store then replaces the bin on the factory floor with a full bin from stock, which also contains a Kanban card. The factory store then informs the supplier's business and returns the now empty bin with its Kanban card. The supplier's full product bin with its Kanban card is then delivered into the factory store, completing the final step in the system. Thus, the process will never run out of product. It's a closed-loop system in that it provides the exact amount required with only one spare bin, so there will never be an oversupply. This spare bin allows for the uncertainties in supply, use and transport that are found in the inventory system. The secret to a good Kanban system is to calculate just enough Kanban cards required for each product. So how is it used? Kanban has evolved over the years and has subsequently become much more digital. Electronic Kanban, sometimes referred to as e-Kanban, is a signaling system that uses a mix of technology to trigger the movement of materials within a manufacturing or production facility. Electronic Kanban is different from traditional Kanban in that it uses modern technology to replace traditional elements such as Kanban cards with barcodes and electronic messages. That is the Kanban system.